Bemab International has been producing sweeping machines since 1958. Sweeping machines are the core of the company's production, but Bemab also manufactures a range of snowplows as well as sand spreaders and salt spreaders. The company is located in the town of Mjölby in southeastern Sweden, where production, offices and warehousing are accommodated in highly appropriate premises. Bemab sweeping machines, ploughs and sand spreaders are designed and produced entirely in the company's own plant. Backed by craftsmanship and many years of experience, Bemab machines are built to ensure great durability and good economy. Most of the Bemab customers are property managers in public and private real estate companies. Good and trustful customer relations are decisive to the ability of Bemab to develop and improve its products. The needs of customers are decisive to how the machines are improved and matched to new requirements. Continual product development assures the company of ability to make headway in the face of stiff competition. Bemab has been very successful in finding a niche for its durable and serviceable sweeping machines. Bemab produces several models of sweeping machines, of which the three Wasp models, G1, G2 and G3, have the characteristic striped tail section. All models are based on the same operating principle of direct infeed. The G1 is the smallest in the family and is used principally in environments in which the flexibility and compact dimensions of the machine are decisive to good sweeping performance, right into confined corners. The G1 can be conveniently manoeuvred by small compact tractors. The container for the sweepings can be filled up to 330 litres. The G2 is an intermediate-sized machine with a container capacity of 800 litres. The G2 needs a somewhat larger tractor, but it is still easy to manoeuvre and convenient to use even in confined spaces. The G3 is suitable for applications in which the large surfaces to be swept demand a large container volume. The G3 can accommodate up to 1,500 litres before it needs emptying. Articulated steering of the relatively large machine makes it highly effective right up to building walls and pavement edges. All models are based on the direct infeed principle. The drum brush sweeps the refuse into the container. This simple design eliminates the expensive and maintenance-intensive elevator used by many competing machines. Larger pieces of waste can be thrown into the container through the inspection cover for discharge at the emptying site. Even an operator who is unaccustomed to the machine can use the Wasp close to parked cars and walls of buildings. The G1 is extremely flexible when manoeuvred through confined passages. The small G1 has become an old faithful in many real estate companies, and many machines that were produced back in the 1980s are still in service. The articulated steering of the large G3 enables the machine to be displaced about 60 centimetres sideways, thus allowing it to operate close to street corners and building walls. In spite of its size, the machine is handy and easy to manoeuvre. Emptying of the container is controlled from a control panel in the tractor cab. The Wasp lifts the container hydraulically to a height of between 1.5 and 2 metres, depending on the model. The waste is discharged in the same way as it came in. Convenient, easily controlled emptying is very important to the operator, who may have to repeat the operation many times during his shift. Access covers are provided on the machines for simple adjustments to the electronics and hydraulics. After about 40 to 50 hours of operation, it may be necessary to change the brushes of the brush drum. The brushes are secured in pairs by means of 2 bolts and can be replaced in only a few minutes. The side brushes are equally simple to fit, and they're always available in stock for quick delivery. The edge and weed brush has a universal mounting that is suitable for most implement tractors available on the market. This is a highly appreciated accessory. The brush is moved hydraulically towards the pavement edge or the building wall and effectively sweeps away sand or weeds into the sweeping machine. Bemab manufactures fold ploughs and diagonal ploughs of several sizes. The range of ploughs is characterised by rugged and durable design and simple manoeuvring. The fold plough can be adjusted steplessly to suit the width of the road. The working width of the biggest unit is 2.4 metres and that of the smallest unit 1.5 metres. The diagonal plough can be set hydraulically to angles up to 30 degrees in either direction. It is available in working width between 1.3 and 2.4 metres. As suggested by its name, the Flexi sand spreader is flexible in both size and capacity. The Flexi is fast and simple to load. The same basic design of spreader is marketed in a number of sizes. It spreads the sand uniformly and finely over a width of 1 to 1.5 metres. If higher loading capacity of the Flexi is required, a load collar can be purchased to increase the volume by around 30%. Bemab also markets a number of smaller and simple sand spreaders for lower requirements. Icy pavements are a serious winter problem. Salt in solid form is much less effective than brine. Bemab markets several models for brine spreading. The larger unit has a container volume of 850 litres and spreads the brine effectively over widths of up to 15 metres. The side nozzles are individually controllable from the cab. The smaller model carries 300 litres and has an effective spreading width of up to 2.5 metres. It is also equipped with a nozzle for manual spreading of brine on stairs, in gateways, etc. The Bemab concept is based on thoroughly proven technology that offers a long, useful life and good economy. This permeates the whole of the company's product range and is summarised in the company's motto: professional products for the outdoor environment.